So we are here at the stand of BEMI in Lighten Building 2018. He's got a very interesting software, so let's have a look what it does.
Okay, thank you. We are doing a planning tool for KNX projects. We come as a system, we have system background, system integration background, and we found it difficult to manage projects. So, is it starting? First of all, we have the overview of our project where we can manage everything we're doing, and we are building up the project just like in ETS with floor plans and dragging in the room. Then we have the KNX products, dragging them in. But what I see as a system integrator, very important, the functions. What kind of functions are we selling? So we made function blocks that we can drag into the project as well. We are configuring the push buttons with the functions we have and putting text on it. We're making labels, just have a template for the label you have, and you really quickly print the labels for it with background pictures, colors, what you want. And we also do the actuator report, relays and so it's easy to fill in and to do changes and just to manage. And the outcome is reports. We have a function report and an actuator report that we give to the customer before we sell it. So you have a communication tool with the customers, and you can explain to them what are they actually getting. You have the push buttons and the function in each room, and it makes it much easier to communicate with the customer.
Okay, so what you then do is you configure everything as you are doing it in the ETS, yes. And it creates a very nice looking presentation of what the functions, what you're going to do. What you're going to do, or also what you've done afterwards, or
both. I mean, first you do what you're going to do, and then after you program it and there come some small changes, you quickly, just by dragging and drop, you adjust it, and then you print it, and it works as a manual.
Okay, great. And the product information, how can you add this product information into this?
We have an online tool, just looking like ETS. And we have the product there, and you can drag them in. We can also create them from scratch, but then you need the pictures to take from internet and so on. Functions you have to do yourself. I mean, it's your ideas, how you're programming this, what kind of functions are you selling to the customer. That is depending from installer to installer.
Okay, so you, as integrator, are creating once the functions you want, and then you can reuse those functions, yes. Also in this. Yes. And if you are working with a KNX manufacturer which is not included, do we send the information to you and you create that, or do the integrated?
You can do that, or you can also do it yourself. If it's a lot of product, we can do it. It's quicker that we do it because we experience with it. But if it's just one or two product, it's easy for you to put it in and set it up.
Put the pictures and
you want to do. Yeah.
And the layout, can you change the layout, how it will look like? Because I saw there was some nice pictures and layouts and stuff. Or is it always easy?
No, it's predefined how it will look. So because it's done, so it should quick for you to print it.
Yes.
And so we done one nice looking layout, and then it's always the same.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.